Give me 5. Just a kind reminder. Give me 5 means your eyes are on me, your hand is in the air, and your voice is off. That's what give me 5 means. All right, can you please stand? We're going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? Salute, pledge. All right, Oklahoma flag. Ready? Salute.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
All right, you may be seated. Today for lunch, we are having Fiesta pizza. Corn glazed carrots and mixed fruit. What's glazed carrots? Anyway, all right. We're going to do this quickly because we have a lot to do in our classrooms. So, you ready? Fourth quarter AR goal. Guys, how many weeks are we into the fourth quarter? Does anybody know? We're only in it for 2. This person's already hit their goal. Is Gabriella Wood in the house? Oh, this one hit it too. Is Emma Longoria in the house? Ooh, list C sight words. Evelyn, are you here? And I don't see this one, but I'll go ahead and announce it. List B sight words. Mia B? Yes, I can see her. All right, let's give one big round of applause. All right, you guys can be seated. All right, teachers, just a reminder, today is Book Buddy Day. Ms. Nielsen just wanted me to put that out there so that you remembered. I think that's it, so watch your teachers for dismissal and have an amazing Friday.